Hello everyone. In this video I would like to give an introduction to the basic setup we will use in the next videos. So the central hardware of the following tutorials will be our I/O link master. I'm going to use a master with 8 I/O link ports, 2 Ethernet ports and 2 voltage connections, 1 for input and 1 for output. As an accessory, I will use a Profinet cable with RJ45 to M12 connector, and I will use this to connect the master with the computer and with the network. Additionally, I will use a voltage connection. So this is actually just a pre-assembled connector to a power supply with 24 volts. This is all actually we need for a basic structure. So in the next videos, I'm going to explain what the properties of the masters are, what the web server of the master is capable of, which interfaces are available, and how we can use them with various programs. So thank you for listening and enjoy trying it out. Bye.